Sooner or later the lights up above will come down in circles and guide me to love. I don't know what's right for me, I cannot see straight. I've been here too long and I don't want to wait for it. Fly like a cannonball straight to my soul. Tear me to pieces and make me feel whole. I'm willing to fight for it, to feel something new, to know what it's like to be sharing a space with you. Fall on me with open arms. Fall on me from where you are. Fall on me with all your light, with all your light, with all your light.
Sooner or later it all comes apart. The walls are all shattered, I'm back at the start. But I'm willing to follow this wherever it goes. The heart has its reasons that nobody knows. And I wanna believe in a world we can't see. Millions of particles passing through me, and I know there's a meaning. I feel it, I swear. I can't see the future, but I know that it's there. Fall on me with open arms. Fall on me from where you are. Fall on me with all your light, with all your light, with all your light, with all your light. I close my eyes and I'm seeing you everywhere. I step outside, it's like I'm breathing you in the air. I can feel you there. Fall on me with open arms. Fall on me from where you are. Fall on me with all your light, with all your light, with all your light, with all your light.
This dance is called Fall on Me, choreographed by Snooke and Kerry. It's a 32 count, 2-wall, intermediate level rolling 8 count line dance. This one tag occurs twice in this dance. Section 1, starting with right foot, cross side behind, sweep your left, behind, quarter to your right, forward, facing 3, step, lock, step left foot forward, make a half turn to your left, hit your right, forward, sweep your left, facing 9 o'clock, cross, side, behind, side, cross. Section 2, side, drag your left, make a 1/8 turn to your left, facing 7:30, together, forward rock, recover together, forward rock, recover, square up to 6, Quarter to your left, stepping forward, facing 3. Step right foot forward, make a pivot half turn to your left, forward, facing 9. Step right foot forward, make a pivot half turn to your left, forward, facing 3. Forward, hit your left. Section 3. Back together, step left foot forward, make a pivot half turn to your right, weight ends on your left foot, facing 9. Forward, full turn to your right, half turn right, back, half turn right, forward. Step left foot forward, make a pivot half turn to your right, weight ends on your left foot, facing 3. Forward, make a quarter turn to your right to 6 o'clock, side, behind, side. 1/8 into your left, forward, hitch, facing 4:30. Last section, behind, scrub to 6, side rock, recover behind, sweep your left, behind, side rock, recover behind, sweep your left, behind, step right foot to the side, sway to your right, left, right, rolling vine to your left, quarter turn left, forward, half turn left, back, quarter turn to your left, stepping on the side. Now you're facing 6 and start over again. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and In the stance, there's a 4 count tag occurs at the end of wall 2 facing 12, at the end of wall 5 facing 6 o'clock. Now let me show you the 4 count tag facing 12 o'clock. Starting with right foot, cross, side, behind, sweep your left, behind, side, cross, sweep your right. With the counts, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the whole dance. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching.